Okay, recently there was a advertisement about a Kamasa impact wrench that outperformed an Ingersoll-Rand. Pay attention to the exhaust note of this Ingersoll-Rand, which I'm about to demonstrate to you, and the Kamasa that you hear on one of their videos. Here's the pressure at which I'm going to be operating this Ingersoll-Rand. Comes out there, goes into a reel, comes through this hose, and here is the Ingersoll-Rand 2135Timax half-inch drive. Change it to the lower setting, to its lowest setting, mind you. Now put it in reverse at its highest setting. And now in reverse at its lowest setting. Now, to my audience, does this sound anything like the Ingersoll-Rand impact that they demonstrated against their Kamasa impact wrench on the Kamasa videos? Does that exhaust note sound anything like that? This is my proof that they rigged their demonstration of their product against Ingersoll-Rand, and they ran the Ingersoll-Rand at lower pressure than the pressure they operated their Kamasa air tool at. Thank you.